How to change font size in Discord. So if you want to change font size in your Discord, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Discord. Once you open your Discord, now you need to just go with the user settings, which is on the bottom left. And here you need to go with app settings, and under your app settings, you will have appearance. So go with appearance, and under appearance, you need to scroll down a bit, and here you will have this option of chat font scaling or space between message groups or zoom level. So you can just adjust it wherever you like or however you like. So if you go with 20 or 24 pixels, then just wait for a few seconds. And if you scroll up, then you can see you'll have this kind of interface or this kind of chat. Now if you go with 20, then you will have this much. If you want largest font size, then you can go with 24 and you will have the largest one. Or if you want to go with the smallest, then you can go with 18, or you'll also have 14, 12. So that's how you can change your font style in your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.